How to make leches cake. Leches cake is one of my aunt's favorite cakes. Step 1, we need to gather all the ingredients. That's cake mix, whole milk, 3 eggs. You're also going to need sweetened condensed milk, evaporated milk, and vegetable oil. And optional, I use strawberry wafers to make the frosting. Step 2, we need to make the 3 milk mixture, which is the whole milk, the sweetened condensed milk, and the evaporated milk. You're going to need 1 cup of each. And you're going to put it in a bowl. Step 3, we need to combine the cake ingredients using 1 cup water, a half cup oil, and 3 eggs. We're going to open up the package and pour all that contents into a mixing bowl or a bowl of some sort. I used a Tupperware container. Then you add the 1 cup water and the half cup of oil. And then we also add 3 eggs to the mixture. So you gotta mix it up until you see no lumps and everything is fully combined. As you can see, it took a little bit for me to get it fully combined. You want it to be kind of a little bit of a thicker consistency. Step 4, we gotta put the cake mixture in the pan, which I greased the pan with some oil. You can use oil, butter, whatever you got. It's cooking spray. I just had oil on me. So you just spread that around. You can do this, or you can use your hands like I'm going to after this. Right there. Then you just spread it evenly. I just took the fork and I just spread it evenly. And then afterwards, I had to do what I always do. I had to take a taste of the batter. Step 5, we had to preheat the oven to 375 degrees. And we had to cook that after it's done preheating for about 10 minutes. Step 6, we had to make the frosting. I didn't get the whole thing, but I used vanilla extract, strawberry wafers. I put it in a bag. I crushed the wafers up, and then I ended up boiling some sugar and some butter together and adding it to this mixture along with a cup of whole milk. Step 7, we need to poke holes into the cake. Just like this, it doesn't matter how you do it, you just have to have some holes. And then you add the milk mixture, which is the sweet condensed milk, the evaporated milk, and the whole milk, 1 cup of each mixed together and poured right onto the hot cake as soon as it gets out of the oven. I actually added a little bit less than you're supposed to. You're supposed to have at least 1.5 cups of each type of milk. And then here's my strawberry with her frosting. As you can see, it just decided to not work. So step 8, we gotta chill for 20 minutes and serve. That's how the frosting should look, and that's how the tres leches cake should look. Thank you for watching.